For today's lesson,
Let's try that again.
today's lesson is called Kicking It Like Beckham. For today's lesson, you will need 8 soccer balls and you will also need 32 cones. In order to place your classroom like so, you will need 8 rows with 4 cones in each row. And you will divide your class into 8 groups. That way there's 4 kids per cone group. Now the challenge activity will basically be the students going around the cones. In the 2 videos, I will show you a student who can dribble the ball around the cones, and then I will show you another video where the student is having a little bit of trouble. Each group will be behind the cones. Notice how the student is able to move around the cone. She uses the inside of her foot and the top of her foot in order to guide the ball. She takes her time, she doesn't rush. And neither should you. Now we are viewing a student who is having a little bit of trouble. You notice at the end how she sort of kicks the ball away instead of turning it around. She uses the top of her foot instead of the middle, instead of the inside of her foot. She kind of drifts away in different directions instead of going smoothly like the other person did. Make sure to always provide feedback. Feedback will help your student keep practicing and will motivate them to get better. Remember, not everyone is an overnight soccer player's success. Now that we have observed 2 different types of students, we noticed that there was a group of students that tended to master this assignment, while we saw the other group that tended to struggle a little bit. Both of these students will have fun either way with this assignment because they will have positive feedback by their instructor and they will be motivated by their peers. Remember, not everyone turns into an overnight soccer player success. So, kick it like Beckham.